turning you on like an aircon. We cool in the room cause we there for. I don't know. I'm trying to rap. Anyway, guys, I'm back from my previous live. I'm so annoyed because, oh yo, what's up, man? Is this Rob? Is this Rob? Hopefully this is Rob. If it's not Rob, what's up, man? How you doing? I just started the live back up again. The other live just like malfunctioned. So let's get back to it. Oh, my shit tweaking. My shit tweaking for no reason. Like, I'll be doing fine. I'll be happy, and it'd be like, nah, I don't like you happy. There we go. Can you guys see it? You can see it. Cool, cool, cool. See, yo, bro, how you doing? Who's this guy? Chat to me something. I don't know. I got no clue who you is. No. I'm assuming you trade since you're watching my content. But I get the feeling this is Rob. This is Rob. I just get the feeling it's Rob. Like, yeah, I know it. I know it. That's good to, hey man, respect Rob. Respect for being here. You went through it, like you went through it all with the malfunctioning with me. Do you even know what happened? Because to me, like I try to just hop on the live and see like the data and stuff. And it just came back and I couldn't actually access my live. Was I live? Like, did the camera go off? Or, hold on. Yeah, that's wild. That's cool, Rob. Anyway, besides that, it's cool. It's cool knowing. Like I was just like, yeah, this is definitely Rob. Rob, cool. Also, Rob, if you don't know, I'll actually before I continue this, I will put my Discord link in the bio, not the bio, in the chat, so that if you want to join, you can. And it's just a Discord server community called Traders Headquarters, which is just for a bunch of traders where we can just talk, post our trades. And it feels like you could be already in it. I don't know. And if you're not, I'm just gonna quickly get the link. There it is. All right, the link gonna be there in like 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, boom. Anyway, let's see what else I gotta do real quick. It looks like I'm clicking random things, guys, but I'm actually on a different page sort of thing. Cool, cool, cool. No worries. Yo, Rob. Hit that like, bro. Hit that like. Help me out. Help me out, Rob. I'm staying for a while, by the way. I'm not talking about like this live. I'm talking about just over time. You should be seeing me over time. Like a week from now, I'm still gonna be here. I'm not gonna give up, sort of thing. Just want to let you know. So I'm gonna be here on this journey. And we're gonna go to the top. We're gonna hit the top. That's what I'm saying. But anyway, there was nothing really on Wednesday for me to take a trade on. Maybe I could have definitely taken that sell there. But it would have been hard for me to take a sell just because the reason why I would have like been tempted to take a sell here was because price did not touch the daily open. It went away from the daily open and didn't actually come back. So I would expect it to come back. And it clearly did. So, but no, I just need to be more aware. I think it's my mentality right now is not, it's not there. It's not there. But that's wild, y'all. That's wild. I'm about to lose 0 for 0. Not 0. I'm about to have 100% lose rate in May. That's wild. Anyway, today I'm going to be taking an early trade. I at least want one good trade. I'm not going to even force it. I'm just going to be patient and try to understand what I'm doing wrong. And I think it's because I haven't been using my deviation. I've just been going off thinking it's 20. Like I thought this was 20% deviation, but it's actually 12. Meaning I really need to get down here, but I don't think price is going to move that much. Damn, it really did. Okay. I mean, price just moved 24%. 620, I'm taking that buy. And I'm holding this bitch. Definitely holding it. Maybe not. We'll see. We'll see what price does. We'll see what price offers me right now. Cool. Bringing my stop loss up close. Come on, come back down. Nice. See, this could be bad because I'm not gonna. It's really hard right now. The reason why I'm contemplating right now is because if price was here at the monthly open price and it was like a 20% deviation, I would have been chill with holding this trade past the daily open. But since price came lower, I'm only expecting price to make it to the daily open and possibly more. But as you can see here, price don't want to make it more. So I think price right here can literally just come back down and hit me. Okay. Price wants to continue pushing. Yeah, yo, I think I just took an L. I ain't even confident in this. I ain't gonna lie. But this, guys, I'm just gonna hold this trade overnight. Like right now at 10 p.m. I would have been sleeping right now. Let's see what happens. Oh god. No. As you can see here, I need to follow my strategy right now, guys. I need to follow my strategy. This is wild. I just explained why I didn't expect price to push past it, but then I got greedy. That was my bad completely. So I just took another L for no reason, and I'm on a. This feels depressing. I ain't even gonna lie to you. This feels depressing. I'd be looking at this and being like, nah, this is wild. This is wild. But real quick, gotta check how y'all doing live. Oh, yo, appreciate the likes. I can see how you're doing. Who else is in here? I got no clue who else is in here. But hopefully you're doing well. It's Saturday. For me, I'm getting fucked. I ain't gonna lie, no diddy. I'm getting man, it's not looking good. For Thursday, there's also news today, so I'm expecting. You know what I need to do? After taking that many losses, I should have reflected. I should have seen what I was doing wrong. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do the 4-hour time frame. Because what I sometimes do is I check the 4-hour time frame to see why I'm losing. I still expect price to push up. So I'm going to stick with it. I'm just going to be stubborn. And if I keep losing, I keep losing. It is what it is. But that was foolish. I've been looking previously at May. I could have definitely done way better. I think my mindset's just off. My mentality. Maybe I'm just making excuses. I don't know. Let's see. I'm waiting till 6. When I hit 6, this is when we go check out what's happening. It's 5:10 right now. We're taking it slow because I like how price is moving. To take a buy here, guys, well, they're expecting to, depending on how far price has moved from here. Yeah. We're either going to take a sell from here if it's 20% deviation as well to right here to then take a buy. But since price isn't really listening, like it's not listening, I'm not accurate with my predictions or what I think. I may just be patient. I'm just gonna be patient. So right now it's not 7, and usually I don't want to take trades at 7 anyway. It did deviate 16%, which is pretty good. I'd like price to push down though. It's a good thing I didn't take a sell. I was just patient. Okay, so that whole month, guys, I just took my L's. That's kind of depressing. Let me see if I can make it back. Hold on, let me quickly check though. Let me quickly check this. How like my loss rate. It looks bad, guys. I know it looks bad. But this is only for 1 month, okay? It's 1 month. But it's wild. This is wild though. 0% profit. This is wild, guys. I gotta put a 0. If you heard in my heart, my win rate is 0 in May. Be heard in my soul. Anyway, what I do now, since I really like recorded the data, what I do now is I pretty sure it's now. Wait, hold on. Never mind. It's 31st. My bad. I have one more. I have one more day to make it up. Yeah, I have one more day. It's Friday. I was already giving up. I was like, yeah, it is what it is. Next month, but I can make this the damn 15% win rate or something. Let's see. Okay. Friday looking nice. By the way, you can clearly see at the bottom there's news, and I'm also checking on Forex Factory. There's news. I'll quickly just check the chat to see if you all said anything. You all had questions. Give me 1 second. All right, nothing. Okay, you're just watching. You're just entertained by my losses. Understandable, all right? It's understandable. I completely understand. Okay, we're deviating. It's being deviated by 19%. It's deviated 19%. So I'd say this is a worthy buy, but we have to wait for the right time now. So right now, oh, I would have taken a buy there. I don't think this is going to come back, yo. And I'm being a bit desperate here. I ain't going to lie, but 530 here, perfect timing, retracement. It has a lot of confluences. I'm taking a buy right now. I don't even think price is going to come back, and I don't want to waste that opportunity. You all may think I'm thirsty, and maybe I am, but I'm losing. What I got to lose? What I got to lose? I'm definitely going to size in on this position too. I definitely think price is just going to push up. Damn, bro, are you going to come back? Like, help me out, bro. Come on now, don't do that. I'm mad because I couldn't actually size in on a trade here. Probably where I should have sized in was when price made it past here. Should have sized in. Anyway, lessons learned. Right now it's Friday, so I'm gonna be holding this bitch. I'm definitely gonna bring this up though. Bring this up to here. We're just gonna hold it. See how we do. And some people will be like, Isaac, take out. Why don't you take out? I'm just that guy. I don't take out. And my stop loss is gonna be right here. We playing smart now. We playing smart. We're gonna let it push down if it wants to. Now here, I'm gonna bring up my stop loss just here. I'm gonna bring it down 3.5 pips. And what I've realized, guys, I may be going, this may be very inaccurate because it used to be 0.25 USD every time, like 3.5 pips equal 0.25 USD. But since I'm risking half the amount, you can see 500 because I've been taking so many L's, it could be more. And that's probably a problem that I did not realize previously. Anyway, let's see what it says here. So from the bottom liquidity, 5 minute to the bottom here, that's like 17. Am I tripping? Yeah, 17. Okay, 17 pips. I don't know, not 17 pips, 17 cents or some shit. Anyway, this is where I'm gonna have my stop loss, more my trailing stop. I'm out of here. Finally took a dub, guys, and I was down like a whole lot. And from this, I made it all back. Not all back. I'm tripping now. I'm tweaking, but I made half of it back in one trade. And I'm happy. I'm thankful. So now I just need to see, since I got up from up here, 1.0232. Yep. Then down here, would have done something like this. 12.5, something like that. Then I would have been all the way up here, 0.621. Something like that. So I got a 1 to 3. It's not too bad having a 1 to 3. I did risk less, but apparently from this I made more because I guess I don't know how it works, y'all, but this is what I would have had, a 1 to 3, something around here. And for this, I can say that I got +3 on this bitch on a retracement trade, which is also with plus a deviation. So +3. I did not actually take into account that I risked half, so my calculations could be a bit off, but the whole point is the win rate. And the win rate now has gone up to, drum roll, 11%. Let's go. So it's 11% for May. So what I do now, since May's now done and over, but I'm thankful because I finally got one trade and I got like back a lot of my losses from half a risking half. What I do now is, hold on, I quickly want to check something. You can't see nothing, but I'm just checking something real quick. Okay, no worries. Okay, so what I do now is, since I understand my win rate, what I do now is I put 11.11% for May, and I also calculate why, like the trades that I took during May, like this trade right here, for example, this trade right here was a deviation mixed with a retracement entry. What I mean by this, the reason why this was so, like, I wanted to fuck this trade, essentially, right? Essentially, is because if I placed a Fibonacci from here to here, it would have rejected off for 61.80%, which is not too bad. It's pretty good retracement. I usually do wait for the 78.60 to 88.60, although for this situation, the monthly open price, like I said, was another confluence, and price would rather push up from the monthly open price than a liquidity area in this situation. So that's why I took a buy there. I probably would have had a better risk to reward as well in the actual live time frame, because I would have been watching the charts and I would have been here before price moved up from here, and I wouldn't have taken a late trade. For this, I just played it on and I missed it. Another thing as well, price barely touched the daily open, but that's not the point. The point is I'm taking down like why I took this trade, which is only from two necessary confluences, which is deviation, which is how far prices moved from the daily open, which was 19% or 0.19%, 19%, and then also retracement, the Fibonacci. And the Fibonacci was there, the deviation was pretty much there, so I put it in there. You can clearly see did well, and that's what I've just been telling. So I've tallied that for the confluences. I've tallied also the win rate, and what I do here, now I know it's June, right? And what I do for June, I play it forwards, right? Hold on, I play it forwards. I take it out of replay mode, right? I go back. I get it to the 1st of June. And from here, I play it forward, but as you can see in the trading panel, it's back to 0%. So now I can play it from here, play the whole month, get my information down for June, and now I know my win rate for June, and I also know what trades I took in June, so that for next year, if it's anything close to how it was last year, I can probably understand I may be losing, and I'll have more confidence knowing a bit more what's going to happen, or just have like an estimate of what could happen. Anyway, coming to Monday, the 3rd of June. We have, so I'm just checking the news. We have one news. We have red news essentially. So I'm trading at 6 p.m. or 8 p.m. Here, price hasn't really moved much. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be patient, guys. I'm going to wait for price to deviate. I'm going to wait. Maybe here. I may take a buy here, but I really want to wait for here. And for the other, probably here or here. So when price gets to these three areas, this is where we're going to wait and see what happens. Price is here. It's only 13%, so I'm not going to be taking that buy there. Even though it could go well, I'm taking that buy. Waiting for price. It's now 8 o'clock, which is not a good time for me to take a trade. So anywhere now, it's a good time to take a trade, but price did not make it down to that area, which I was expecting it to. So let's see what happens. I missed this trade. That is what it is. Damn, bro. So price really be. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. I didn't miss the trade. I just didn't take it. That's as simple as it gets. So the 4th of June, there is no news. So we're just gonna be patient, guys. We're just gonna watch this. We're gonna wait till 8 p.m. We're gonna pause it right now. I like how price is looking, although we can see here, price came from the top first and then came through, coming down in June. And practically what this shows is we know price just wants to continue pushing down. But what we want to get, because it's going with the bias, is we want to get that buy from here, or well, from here or here to the daily open, which is the green line. So just back up here. That's the only place we're looking for. That's the only trades we're looking for, just to the daily open, because price made that pattern. And I've seen this pattern a lot of times, and I know that price just wants to continue pushing down now. So we only want to get that buy to the daily open. We're not going to be taking any trades until price hits certain areas. I also will double check, because I did say, yeah, there was no news today, so we're going to wait till 8 p.m. Right now it's 8 p.m. so I can take a trade now, although I'm waiting for price to get to here or the monthly open price. And since I know the monthly open price is really close, I want price to touch it. I'm more in favor of price touching the monthly open price than this one, the recent monthly open price, than normal monthly open price. So we're just going to be patient. I really do hope price pushes straight through the monthly open price without actually like acknowledging that it's there. But looks, you can see price is actually rejecting off it. I do want to see real quick. It's deviated 37%. I'm going to let this play out 2 times, and if price moves up 2 times, I'll decide whether I take a buy or not. Let's see. Okay, price is up. Yeah, okay, what I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to, since it's so close to 9 o'clock, it's getting tempting. I don't know. I just have to see what happens next. If price makes a higher high, the next one I'm taking a buy. I'm fucking taking a buy. What I'm taking a buy, I'm taking a buy. The reason why I'm taking a buy is because when price would have made that high, I would have been googly eyes sort of thing. So I would have been in this trade, to be honest. So, hold on. But I do need a. So I've been automatically. See, this is where I'm so confused, guys, because from this. Oh, okay, so it's 18 cents for 3.5. So this is where I should be doing. Okay, no worries. Don't worry about what I said. Should be all good. Taking that buy. Oh, please, price, don't do this. Don't do this to me. Okay, I took an L. Let's see what price does. We're going to play it off. Ain't no way my stop loss is too short. Okay, so I would have been back, and I would have been back somewhere here in profits if my stop loss was not short enough. Hold on. Let's see. From here. That's wild. So for this, I would have just been taken out. So I need to understand probably to have a 4-pip stop loss for June. But since I lost, I go to June. Deviation. This is a deviation trade because like all I saw here was really more of a deviation trade. And I took an L, so it's 1 L. Wednesday. Let's check out Wednesday real quick. How are we doing on Wednesday? Okay, USD. So there's red news, guys. So we're going to be taking a trade pretty early if it gives us the opportunity. Right now, you can clearly see price started pushing up again, coming down. This time, it's not as smooth as it looks here. So I do probably expect price to continue pushing down. But okay, price made that move. Probably was a better time to take a sell here, but I'm not going to take it. We're just talking right now. We're not doing nothing. But I do expect price to continue pushing down. Okay, since it's 8, I'm not taking a buy. I'm letting this whole day play out. You'll see this right now at the monthly open price pushed up. I say I'm not taking a buy. The timing was there. Why did I not think price was good to take a buy? Because of the pattern. I guess price. Okay, I'm gonna change my mindset now. Because obviously my intuition's ass is doo-doo garbage. So I'm just going to. Okay, I see this. But what I would have done, I would have been out by daily open. So if I was to take a buy, which I didn't, so it doesn't matter. Okay, guys, there's news. There's definitely news today. So we could definitely be expecting to take a buy early. Oh, I like how price is looking right now. I'm taking a sell. If price comes back up, I'm taking that sell. And if it doesn't, then I'm probably just going to take a buy. But I need to take a buy at that where price grabs look. Okay. So right now, my bias is a buy. So I'm waiting for price to grab literally that liquidity right there. And I'm probably going to take a buy. Yep, so it took that liquidity. Hold on. We're waiting for, so how we actually enter in, guys, we haven't realized, we wait for price to make a higher high on the 5-minute time frame from its previous candle. So right now it hasn't made a higher high. That makes a higher high. We buying now. We buying. For this, we're gonna add 18 pips, which is around full 34. Cool. I can definitely see price though coming back down to hit the whatever, but it's all right. For this, oh, by the way, we're going to definitely have a take profit up top here. The reason why we're having a take profit for this trade specifically is because there's no monthly open price giving me that reason for me to hold. Although it still is in the range, and we're just not going to do it. We're not going to do it. We're just going to do this. If price makes a higher high here, I'm taking a buy again, adding a position. Okay, we'll take another buy. We're making our stop loss closer. Come on now. Hey, yo, chill. A note taking right now. Probably should have waited for the timing. But even for the timing, I would have taken a buy. So it is what it is. Bruh. You heard in my heart. The price pushes up. So what I did wrong here. What I did wrong here was probably not understanding that price did not touch the daily open. So I wanted to come back to touch it at least. Then price touched it later on. But with that, it would have invalidated my retracement entry. So was it smart for me to take a buy when there was price hasn't touched the daily open? That's probably what I know now for Euro USD is not to take a buy when price hasn't touched the daily open if it's not on Monday. Right now it's on Thursday. So we took 2 L's essentially during this. 2 L's. Ain't no way we're going back to taking L's. A lot of L's. Sorry. L's is a part of it, but a lot of L's ain't necessary. Another thing as well is we could also understand how price was really reactive to this whole trade because price came down, came back up, instantly reacted from here from the monthly open price without touching it, and it kind of just wanted to push down. It was early, so I wouldn't expect it to, although it just wanted to. So anyway, we lost twice, so we're going to go for retracement. We lost twice. Another thing, let's do this. Let's keep playing it. Friday coming along. But this is what I mean, guys. I don't like trades like these where I was pretty close. I wasn't too close, to be honest, but price went my way, but later on. I don't like trades like these. I like trades when I'm completely wrong. So it's just my entry area wasn't the best. Sorry, I forgot to check. On Friday, there was news. So we're going to be waiting to take a buy at 5:30 probably, because on Fridays I've realized price moves earlier, especially when there's news for me. So since it's 5 o'clock right now, I'm waiting for 5:30. Oh, I'm waiting for price to go touch the monthly open price once again. Okay, price has touched the monthly open price. I would like it to grab this liquidity, but it's not necessary. Okay, price grab the liquidity. I do not want price making it past this here, because it would invalidate my. I'll make this white. Also make it a bit thicker. I don't want to make it. I don't want price to push past this area, because if it does, then I would have to wait for a deviation sort of trade. So price push past it. So for this, guys, we're just not going to be taking a trade. We're going to be waiting. We're going to be patient, and we're just going to be analyzing the best time to take a trade. So we're going to wait for price to get to one of these two areas, but knowing that it's Friday and it goes, and I'd like to think it goes with the buys more often. We're going to wait for price to get down here, and then we're going to take a buy and hold it probably. Let's see what happens. If price decides to go on without me, it's all right. Okay, yo. I guess price wants to push down. Okay. It's Friday. Even though price made a huge move, we're probably going to be looking for that buy back up to the daily open. But we need to see the best area. I'm going to be waiting for a retracement just to confirm that I should take this buy. Price pushes up from here. I may just take that buy. One more push up. Nope. Okay, price pushes up from here. I'm definitely taking that buy. And you know what's funny? I know this trade exactly because I'm pretty sure I was in a sort of trade like this. It's funny about that. I was in on GBP USD one, and GBP USD moves very similar to Euro USD. So I remember this trade. And honestly, I'm going against it. It's not worth me taking a buy here, but I'm just trying to think how I would think in this sort of scenario. I wouldn't honestly take a buy, but it is what it is. It is what it is, bro. I'm going with it. I'm learning. Yeah, I'm taking that buy there. 68. Want to hold this and see what happens. Okay, that was wrong. Taking now. Now to stand back. Another L, bro. Another L. But the reason why I did take that buy there is because I knew I was wrong, but I still took it because if I didn't know I was wrong, I would have still taken that buy, if that makes sense. So it's Monday the 10th. I like how price is pushing. By the way, I'm just saying, around June, I'm ass. My strategy is dirt, like just garbage. I'm gonna check the deviation. And maybe I'm just trying to say that to make my heart feel better, y'all. But hey, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, guys, we're gonna be waiting till 8 p.m. for this. I love how price is doing this. You see how price doesn't touch the monthly open price? Not the monthly open price, the daily open price. Waiting here for price to get to 8 p.m. We're probably gonna take a buy if price grabs all this liquidity here, especially when it's good timing. Okay, since price wants to continue pushing down, this is where it gets hard because I said we're going to take a buy when price grabs all this, but we also see a monthly open price right here. Is it better to wait for price to come back to the monthly open price, or to take a buy from here because price hasn't touched the monthly, the daily open? So we have to wait for price to make a higher high, just depending on how the push from the higher high is, depending on if we take a buy or not. Nope. Okay, we're holding it. We're not taking a buy just yet. Oh, damn, this is hard, y'all. I'm gonna hold. I ain't gonna take a buy. If price makes a higher high on this, it's gonna be very tempting. The reason why I'm not taking a buy is because I understand in this situation, it's better for me to wait till the monthly open price and not be too hasty because price is looking so good, than to take a buy straight up just because I'm really hasty and then ruin my trade, and then price goes towards what I'm thinking. I'm gonna hold. I ain't gonna take a buy until price makes a higher high here. I'm be more tempted. Okay, no. Since price is close now, I'm taking that buy. I'm taking that buy. I'm gonna go 28. I swear, if price touches my stop loss and pushes up, I'm gonna be mad. But I like how long, like how good this looks. I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna have a take profit. The reason why we're gonna have a take profit because I don't think price is gonna push past it. We're gonna see what happens though. Love how price is doing. Come on now, give me something to work with. What I would have been like, what would I do in this situation? And you see if I would have brought my stop loss to halfway. No, I wouldn't. So I would have just waited, guys. I would have just slept right now. I would be sleeping right now. I would be sleeping. That scared the shit out of me. I ain't gonna lie. When price came down, I was like, oh god, it's another L. Which it probably could still be another L. But yeah, I would have woken up by now, seen price doing chill, like doing well. I would have brought my stop loss to break even. I would have just let price play out right now. And then as soon as price made a new daily open, I would have brought here, 14. Yeah, okay. So for this, I'm going to test this out. What I usually do is when price has moved this much in the red zone, it's moved 50%, 14% from the daily open, from the red zone. So what I want to do is I want to double that and flip it on this side and do 14%. And you can see it's at break even. So for this, I'm going to keep my whatever at break even. And I'm just going to have no take profit, but I'm expecting price to come up here. And I'm just going to hold. Let's see what happens. We're going to hold it, guys. We're going to wait. We're going to check if price actually gives me. Hold on. Okay, there's no news, guys. So we're going to wait till 8 p.m. if price gives me an opportunity. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness, y'all. Oh, goodness. I'm tweaking, y'all. Price could deadass come back down here, invalidate me. I take a buy, and then price goes up. So let's just see. Let's just see what happens. Okay. The reason why I'm very interested in this buy right now is because 20% deviation, retracement entry, and price has grabbed a bit of liquidity, a pretty good amount of liquidity. So I can definitely see price pushing up just from here. Hey, yo, chill, price, chill. Would I take a buy? No, I wouldn't. I'm actually going to wait for price to grab the monthly open price. Yo, guys, I'm also need to reflect right now. I need to think, what is wrong with me right now? I just gave away. No, I didn't. I know what I'm doing. This is what happens when you trade in June, right? For me, this is what happens when you trade in June. June fucks with your mind. Oh, Rob, sorry, I didn't see what you were saying, Rob, but I've got to run, mate. Thanks for the stream. No worries, Rob. Sorry about that. Happy you like the stream. I'm assuming this other this other person watching is Dan. You all don't know who Dan is. I know who Dan is. But yeah, I'm definitely planning on taking a buy right now. But I just gave away so much that I was making. Like this was, I need to think back. Like, why did I give it up? What could I have done better? I could have done better just to double up here. I would have been here, and I would have at least had my trailing stop loss here, and I would have at least kept some money instead of giving it all away. Definitely taking a buy here, though, just because how price is looking. If price gives me the opportunity of taking a buy right here, 58, something like that. We're not going to have a stop loss. No way price is brutal like this. No way price is brutal like this. No way price is brutal like this. No way. Price is so brutal on June. By the way, y'all, I remember June. June is brutal to me. I remember June clearly. So price took me out. I forgot I need to remember I had 4 pips stop loss, not 3.5. So let's just see if that was the reason. So here I would have taken a buy here. No, that wasn't the reason. It was just price went out of my area and they continued going up in New York. It happens. I also got to calculate, add this to my deviation right there. We're still risking low because we've been taking L's. To be honest, I should have started with 1K again. It is what it is. Another thing I got to do is check out the 12th of June right now. 12th of June. Seems like, okay, there's red news, guys. Red news on the 12th of June, so I'm expecting. Also, I just want to go back and see, why am I losing? Is there any way I can understand this? No, there's no way. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I know it's June, and if it's not perfect, no, I can't even do that right now. I have to gain the experience. I'll be saying that, but anyway, I'm gonna be trying to wait for good opportunities. Yeah, no buys, no sells in this day. I could have definitely seen why, like right here. Sorry, not there. Here, but it's 5:15. I would not have been here for that trade. So maybe here I would have been, but damn, bro. So price decides to go up later on. Like, it's funny. Just funny. Got to be confident, guys. Got to be confident. This price has deviated 8% one way, 6% another. I'm definitely looking for a buy, even though price looks like it's kind of working against me. Oh, damn. Monthly open price. Made it back. This is tempting, y'all, because I can see this working, like taking a sell right here, although it's not with the bias. And I don't like taking trades against the bias too much. Okay, I like how price is looking right now, but we're going to wait for... Come on, come back down. There we go. I like the touch now. Okay, this news, perfect. I don't like the timing, though. The time is kind of weak. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play it, and if price has a big reaction, I'm going to take a buy. Nope. Cool. We're going to be patient, 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 patient. Okay, so now since price invalidated my retracement entry, I'm just going to hold it until... I'm not going to take a trade until price probably gets to this area right here, if it makes it during my trade, during my time. Okay, it's getting very close, y'all. See, for this, y'all, I might as well take that buy. I ain't going to lie to you. I'm taking a buy. This is just outside my trading session by 5 minutes. Oh, boy, this is looking nice. I ain't going to lie to you. It literally just did what I wanted to do. But you know what? Am I pushing it? Am I rushing it? This is what I have to think to myself. Do I really just want to take a trade? Can I just be patient? Can I just not take a trade at all? So right now, I'm not going to take a trade, even though price is doing exactly what I wanted to do, because it's outside my time frame and it didn't do what exactly I wanted to do. So I'm going to not take a trade. I was about to tweet the fuck out. I was like, what the fuck? Price just shot for the moon. But yeah. For this, let it go. Friday the 14th. I need to get better with understanding if price goes without me, because I said, no, it is what it is. If price stays and goes against me, it is what it is. I need to have that is what it is mentality. But this guy's, I'm going to wait till 8 p.m. and then take a buy. Definitely looking for a buy. But I'm waiting for 8 p.m. Okay, it's 8 p.m. right now. Hold on. Price, don't do this to me. It's going with my trade. If price makes a higher high right here, I may just take a buy. Yeah, okay, we're going for that buy. Oh, this is going to be a big one. No, we're gonna go here. 78. We're going to take that. We're gonna hold it. We're just gonna hold, see how it goes. What time was this at? It was at 8:35. Not too bad. If price makes it past this monthly open price, I'm gonna size in. This is where I question price. Like, does it hate me? Does price hate me? But then I remember it's just June. Remember, yo, I told you it's just June. June is just a bitch. So I'd be questioning life at these times, literally. Prices moved 60%, which is crazy. This is definitely like a deviation mixed with a retracement trade, even though it doesn't look like it. To me, that's what I thought. Ain't no way I'm taking more L's. No more L's. I'm taking consistent L's. Bro, I haven't won a trade June. What the heck? Am I tweaking? I need to really like question myself. Am I tweaking? Do I just love taking L's right now? I need to check out Monday. See how Monday's going. Okay, we're taking a trade at 6 p.m. Yeah, okay. This is going to be a very difficult one. We want price just to touch this and move up really quickly. Okay, price has not touched it. This is a good area. But I don't think price is going to push up from there. And I can understand if price pushes up from there. And it did. It is what it is. It hurts my heart, y'all. It really does. Because I can see price is setting up well. But I can also see price could have just touched this area, but it didn't. This is hurting my heart, yo. I think I just missed a trade here. I'm not gonna lie, yo. I'm tweaking. June be making me tweak. Okay, we're gonna be waiting. We're gonna be taking a trade at 6 p.m. if price gives me an opportunity. Right now, so what I'm gonna be waiting for is probably I'm not gonna be taking a trade at all. Actually, the reason why is you can clearly see price came up and down, and then came back up to retest, meaning no trade today, and I expect price to continue going straight down like that. So let's see. And if price does come back up here, I may take a sell. Seems like price is just coming up. I guess not, but this is the way it just confuses me. Like, why is price not? Maybe I'm applying GBP things to Euro USD, and Euro USD doesn't do what GBP does. I don't know, y'all. I got no damn clue. 19th of June. Let's see, 19th of June. I'm not trading on the Wednesday. I'm waiting till Thursday. It's not trading on Wednesday. Waiting till Thursday. It's super cold right now. I ain't gonna lie. I may stop this stream once I've finished. Whoa. Yeah, I'm not trading Wednesday. Sorry. Waiting until Thursday. I may stop the stream after I've finished doing June, and June is usually the worst. What do you call it? The worst month for me, and we can see it's horrible. It's just terrible. So for this, once price gets to 10%, we're not taking a buy there. We're waiting for price to either get to 18%. We may just be waiting for price to get back to the weekly open price, or just grabbing this liquidity here. See what happens. Price grab here. Okay. Should I take a buy? No. Okay, price doesn't want to. He just wants to keep traveling. Oh, I love these types of trades, y'all, because price is giving me the opportunity to Oh, this is a hard one. This is a very hard trade right here because I like how Price did this. It set me up perfectly. Would I take a trade? I'm gonna think it's gonna come back to hit the weekly open price. I truly do think it's gonna hit the weekly open price. I think it's a fake out right here. Please be a fake out. Please be a fake out. Continue pushing down. Help me out here. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to my heart. Yes. Yes. See, I count this as a win. The reason why I count this as a win is because I didn't take a trade on a losing trade. So, okay, there's a lot of news here. So, you see how price touched the weekly open price and pushed up from it. That's what I expected, but I expected it to do on that day. Oh, I love this trade. Okay, I'm gonna take a buy here. Price pushes up. Nope. Price didn't want to push up. Whoa. Yo, from this, once price gets here, probably gonna take a sell. To be honest, I don't usually take sells on Fridays. But if price gets up there, I may just take a sell. Price really be tweaking on Fridays. Yeah, never mind. I'm not taking a sell. It's already past the time. I would have been asleep by now. So for this, we're waiting for 8 p.m. Next trade. I'm just gonna check the chat. If you all said anything, I got no clue if you all said anything. Damn, we've been streaming for like 51 minutes. Don't even feel like that. From this, yeah, I'm waiting till 8 p.m. I remember that. Remember that. Okay, I'm probably gonna be taking a sell here. Yeah, I'm taking a sell. It is what it is, man. What the fuck? Okay. 38. I'm not gonna be sighting in though, and I'm only gonna be taking a sell to the daily open. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Price is just a bitch. Like, that's what I've realized. Price is just a bitch. Anyway, took a sell here. I took a deviating sell. From this, I just, yeah, let's see. Yeah, it was definitely, hold on. So Tuesday coming, there is no news again, so we're going to be waiting till 8 p.m. And I need to understand, I need to be more strict probably when it's harder. So in June, I need to be more strict. That's what I need to think of. So here you can clearly see price of the up, down, back to retesting to continue the continuation. If that makes sense. So we may be looking for a sell here. We're not taking, okay, no trades taken today, Wednesday. But guys, you clearly see how price, like what price did today, and why I say price goes above first, comes down, retests, and then continues going down. This is what I mean. This is a clear example of what I mean. But USD. So we have no trades, no red news tomorrow. So we're just going to wait for price to get to 8 p.m. Okay, this is where we're at right now. I definitely can expect price to take a buy to the daily open right here. But I need to see how much it's deviated. Yeah, it's pretty good. So let's see. Yep, taking that buy. Definitely taking that buy. 48. I'll also add in some sizing if price decides to continue pushing up. Okay, for this, guys, I probably would have taken. I'm not gonna lie, I probably would have put in my stop loss right here, just below here, just because. Man, we just take an L. I was about to say, if price literally pushed up after I brought my stop loss closer, this is just depressing at this point. But I took an L here again. It's a deviating L. Yeah, yo, June is heartless to me. I ain't trading Euro USD during June. That's actually brutal. It's like pure pain. So money for 8 p.m. This is kind of against the trend, but I like how the pattern was forming right here. But I don't like how price set up that beautiful retracement buy. But I think it's, I would like to take a buy here, but I don't like how price is setting this up, so I'm not going to take anything. Just going to let it go. Good idea, me. Good idea. Friday coming through. Hold on. I made one mistake though. I made one mistake, and that's why price actually was good here. So guys, I think I've realized why I've been losing. Maybe I'm self-sabotaging because on Thursday, I didn't check the news for Thursday, and the news was actually good. It was red news, meaning I trade early, meaning 625 would have been valid for me to take that buy. Shameful though. It's all right. But I would have probably taken that up here anyway. Just small. Since it's Friday though, there is news, so I'll be taking the trade early as well. Oh, this is looking really good, guys. Really good. If price decides to push down here, probably gonna take a buy. Yep, it's good deviation. Come on now. Come on, push down, push down. Bro, what are you doing, price? Price really be hating on me right now. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, we just took mad L's on June. We took 10 L's. This is where you have to like really just rethink about your life right now, you know. It's like you just took L after L after L after L after L. But be positive though, but be positive. I can understand it's also in a range. So in this situation, I can say do not trade inside ranges and I'll probably save a lot of money. Because if I like zoom out on this, we still in the range. If I waited for these specific areas to come close to take a buy or sell to, then probably have more profits, so to speak. But anyway, this is all, guys. I'm actually going to stop my live here. I should call this an L live because I've just been taking mad L's. You know, it's like L's just don't want me to breathe. They want to strangle me. I ain't gonna lie. So if it is, guys, it's literally 0% win rate. So that hurts my heart, bro. So I'm competitive, right? I'm competitive, y'all. I'm a competitive motherfucker. Who else is in this? Yo, we got 2 people watching the stream right now at this time. That's wild. That's cool. That's cool. Anyway, y'all. So the ending for this live, for this backtesting, I took so many damn L's. It's not even funny. But you know, there's lessons within it. I'm hungry. It's like 10:30 p.m. Nothing's open. I'm probably gonna have some what do you call it? Some bread and honey. I'm gonna survive with that. Or I may go to the shops, not shops, to Macca's or something and get quick food. I don't know. I don't usually eat Macca's stuff. Anyway, besides what I'm hungry about, just an update on my back testing. I took mad L's. The L's were crazy. It was kind of shameful. I ain't gonna lie. But it hurt my ego because I like winning. Like I said, I like winning. Although for this, I took so many L's. I got 0% win rate on June, but I do understand June is when I usually lose anyway. I don't ever win because I remember during that time in GBP USD, I was taking mad L's, so I completely understand it. May was kind of like a bit of a surprise, but I've been backtesting a lot of times, and I realized May is like, it's when I'm in a good mentality, I'm winning. I'm profitable. When I'm in a bad mentality, I'm taking L's like I did today. Like I said, I'm not blaming my mentality, but I just understand that my mentality has is a part of the reason why I'm losing so much. I'm not winning when I should be winning on the trades that go with what I think, if that makes sense. So for this, guys, if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe. You know I'm not going to stop till I get to the top. An hour and 30-minute stream today. I'm actually really happy. I wasn't expecting I would do this, but since you all joined, I'm very thankful for it. I just had to push through, get 2 months down. I have 3 months left to do 4 months left to do for this backtesting for Euro USD, and then I'll go into GBP and do the exact same thing, just so I can have a more clear identification of my win rate and just more my strategy in certain months. Like for April, it's 42.86%. So I'm actually winning closer to half the time. For May, it's 11. It dropped madly. For June, it's 0. That's just some shameful shit. I'm expecting July, August, September, October gonna carry me, but we'll see what happens. So anyway, y'all, I'm going to just revise, and I probably should have also read my book because I've taken a lot of notes on like what invalidates and what validates my trades. So I probably should read that over again. But anyway, besides that, I'm just yapping. Hope you all enjoy this. Have a good day.